Well, today we're going to be talking about well, an, another case of proprioception. Just like what I talked about earlier with Korsakoff syndrome, except it's with Parkinson's disease. Now the patient in this case is an old man by the name of Mr. McGregor. He's 95 years old, and he still like feels healthy and strong, but he is tilted, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Like what some people say, if he tilts more, he would immediately fall over. But he doesn't really feel that he tilts. He feels like, oh yeah, I'm fine, I'm standing up straight. And well, once he gets a video of him walking, which Dr. Sachs recorded, he's like, oh my goodness. Like he didn't believe it before, but now he does. And here's the fact about why this is. Remember when I mentioned proprioception earlier? That moved the case of Jimmy and Korsakoff syndrome.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of, to go in a bit more definite. It's actually regulated by some canals in our inner ear. So like with it we'll be able to like know if we're standing up straight, if we're sitting down, if we are tilted or not, etc. And though it's actually pretty much non-existent to man when they're in normal gravity, but in zero gravity, they can like enjoy like, they can sense it and they can enjoy like how
I don't understand the sense of zero gravity, what that means.
Like zero gravity, like
I know what is zero gravity, but what in this context I don't understand. Can you really explain to me?
Basically, proprioception becomes a bit more dominant when someone goes into zero gravity. Like it isn't, well, like feeling non-existent. It's like they actually have that sense that where they actually are in zero gravity. Oh, well, in space during that time. Anyways, going back to what I mentioned, the cause of his tilting is Parkinson's disease. And because Parkinson's disease messes with those inner ear organs, it actually messes up his proprioception naturally. So therefore he doesn't know that he's tilting. And here's the thing of most Parkinson disease patients. Yeah. Mostly if they sit down like with a weird tilt like this or something, and like they'll be like, oh, I feel completely normal. But once you get them a mirror, they're like, oh, I'm not sitting like straight, and then instantly they start sitting up straight again.
Mm.
But of course, do we all live in a world surrounded by mirrors?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, like, literally, and every single day. No, we don't. So for Mr. McGregor here, instead of like trying to deal with his ears, he tried to deal with something with his eyes, and he decided to go a bit innovative for a bit. Trying to experiment with his glasses and trying like find ways to get him to stand straight. And eventually, he made some like odd, clanky weight glasses that actually help him with his proprioception and return to normal.
Mm-hmm.
And with a strange invention, soon after another, some other patients that have the same condition as McGregor decide to get a copy of it, and then another person had the same glasses as him, and then another. Soon enough, their lives are improving thanks to this simple invention.
What is the invention?
I don't know what it's called, but it's a type of glasses that helps with the proprioception.
Do you know the name of the glasses? Do you have the name of the glasses written in there? Okay, that's something you can look for.
Mm-hmm.
Try to look for on the web.
I'll try to look for it.
So, I'm sorry. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
So you liked it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did. But
So,
I'm still interested in Korsakoff syndrome.